Hello, and welcome to the Color Matching Game, a fun and collaborative color matching challenge. We provide clear instructions for the teacher and the students. To prepare your students for this fun challenge, your first step would be to print, cut, and laminate. You will create one set for each team. Step number 2 is to print the worksheets and then group the color swatches for each team. Finally, on the day of the game, prep the paints and palettes. You will include primary and black and white. Each team will get their own set of supplies, which includes paint, a paintbrush, a paper towel, a cup of water, and a palette for mixing paints. We use cardboard. On the day of the game, start by explaining the rules to the class. Answer any questions and make sure everyone is set, and then go! The strategy of the game is very simple. Students get 2 minutes to work together. First group to match the color wins that round. Now, if you don't have a colored printer or you don't have time to prep, you can always just project the colors for students to look at. Here's what the classroom looks like. You can see that each team is struggling to match that first color of green. What I love about this game is that we give each student a limited palette of colors with no refills. This teaches students to think before mixing their colors and wasting paint. And it's so much fun. And we like to entice our students with a prize for the winner. And here's what those worksheets look like. They did pretty well with matching those colors. Thank you for watching, and check out the link in the comments for more information.